I've already put the no.
And guess what, guys? There's no limit to how much we can put in. Yeah? No limit. What's going on, people? Welcome back to yet another challenge with Han
and Shuks.
And today we are going to be doing the gross smoothie challenge. How does this work, Shuks?
Okay, so in this game I have my own cup, and can I see your cup? And we're going to, for every question you get wrong, I'm gonna put a gross ingredient in your cup. And the same thing with me. For every question I get wrong, you put in mine. Alright?
We're gonna blend it up and we're gonna drink that ish.
At the end, okay? Alright,
what do you have?
I've got barbecue sauce. I was about to say tomato sauce.
Your favorite? Yes.
My favorite. And I've got coconut milk.
Yum.
Yum. And I've got sriracha. These ingredients are amazing by themselves, but I don't know about putting them in. I've got mint.
Love mint.
And gummy bears.
Stop it.
And coconut milk. Oh, that's from
this one right here.
Yeah.
It seems to me that you've got all the good ingredients, and
yes.
I'll save that one for last. So we've got some jalapenos and chili up in this mix.
Yeah.
We've got some traditional mayo for you, Shukri. Some apple cider vinegar, organic of course. Some soya sauce, just to make sure it's all legit. Smoothie. Just visualize and taste that smoothie, yeah?
Ooh.
And this one here, guaranteed by far the worst possible thing that you can put into a smoothie, fish sauce.
Oh my god. It smells like yuck.
It's really bad, guys.
Yeah.
It's really bad.
Okay, first question is for you.
Sure.
What's my favorite Netflix show?
Of all time?
Yeah, of all time, but like right now, even.
Right now?
In the past year, past 3-4 months maybe. Alright, I'm gonna give you time as well, so I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to answer it.
Alright.
Alright, so hurry up.
I'm gonna say Insecure.
No, that's not a Netflix show.
Alright, I'll get a second attempt.
No. No, okay, we can do that question again.
Brooklyn 99.
You answered it very fast. That's way too fast. That's not fair.
Correct or incorrect?
That's correct.
Okay. I want you, Shukriya, to spell my full name. You know my name, right?
Full name. Spell your full name.
Spell my full name.
As in like the 3?
No, my full name. How many names do I have?
No, we're not doing that. That's too hard. I can't.
Let's go.
Oh my god. You have seven names. Yeah. I am not going.
You've got 5 seconds to get started.
Okay, H-A-N.
What's my first name?
I already got it wrong. I don't. Okay. M-I-N-G.
Yes.
H-A-N.
Yes.
G-A-B-R-E.
We need the buzzer sound. Alright guys, let's hit it hard.
Another question. I don't like that. That was not fair.
It doesn't matter. These are the questions.
It's not fair. No,
these are the questions.
No, that's not fair.
It's fair. You can't change.
I don't have 7 names and then get you to spell it.
It doesn't matter.
You can ask me what's my 7 names. You can ask me what the names are, but don't say spell it. All right.
Just make it a little bit easier. I want you to say my full name.
Okay, so it's Ming Han, John Paul. Wait, sorry, it's Ming Han, Aranez, Ming Han, John Paul, Ming. Okay. No. I'm gonna guess it. No. It's Ming Han, Gabriel.
Yes, continue.
Aranez. No.
That's it.
Sorry,
That's it. We're done. We are done.
It's Ming Han, Gabriel, John Paul, Aranez. Who?
Yeah. I'll let that pass. So you're saying that I shouldn't put that in here?
No, go ahead. That's only fair.
And a little bit of.
Oh, you're gonna put the juice. Oh my god.
Love it.
Yuck.
It smells nice, doesn't it?
By itself.
Yes.
You can have it by itself. I can have it by itself.
Next question, hit me.
Okay, my turn. Yay! Alright, this is gonna be good. How do you say, where are you in Somali?
Inte jogta.
That is not fair.
Alright, next question. Let's keep it moving.
Fair. Oh my god.
Alright. What is the name of the beach that we went horse riding at?
The beach. Mornington Peninsula area.
Wrong.
Alright,
let's get to the ingredients.
No!
What should I pick, people? Since we hit it off with the chili, let's go a little bit more.
Chili.
I won't kill her. I'll just give her just a little bit. Delicious.
Yuck.
Delicious. Alright.
Yeah.
Next question.
Okay.
Let's keep it rolling.
Can you get this one wrong so I can give you like the grossest ingredient possible? Yuck. Okay. What's the highest grossing Australian movie? The highest grossing Australian movie. What is it? I'll give you time. Huh?
Just put something in. Put something in. You can.
You're not even guessing.
I can't think of anything.
How many Australian movies are out there? You're not even guessing them.
Shukri.
Like you can't just
listen. If I didn't get it, let's keep it going.
No, guess it.
Alright.
What Australian movies are out there? Give it a shot.
Alright, let's go with Australian movies out there.
What Australian movies are out there?
The Castle.
The Castle.
Chopper. Come on, guys. What Australian movies are there right now?
Not right now, like.
Well, I've said the two that I thought of.
Ever, like. Okay, fine. You got it wrong.
Yes, I got it wrong. Go, hit me.
It's Crocodile Dundee.
Crocodile Dundee.
Yes.
Interesting.
I know.
Wow.
Yes, it's not a knife.
She's taking it back, guys.
Is
She's
this a
taking it
knife?
way back.
Is this a
Alright.
knife?
What do you want?
Alright.
Oh.
You know what? I'm going with the fish sauce. You're getting the fish sauce.
Yeah, you know it's coming for you.
There's no limit to how much.
Excuse you?
There is no limit to how much you can put in there.
Okay, that's plenty.
No.
I can smell it right now. It's disgusting.
Oh my god.
Disgusting.
Wow.
Yeah, take a whiff. Take a whiff.
No, you take
a whiff.
no.
Take a...
Okay.
Next question.
It's your turn.
Alright. Let's go with...
I'm gonna get this one. I'm going to get this one.
Where did we have our favorite meal together?
Oh, favorite meal.
Favorite meal of all time.
Is it meal? Favorite meal?
No.
Favorite meal, that's...
3 ducks? Byron Bay.
No, that's
Delicioso.
That's not fair.
Delicioso.
That's not fair. You didn't say recently. Alright, fine. What are you gonna put in here now? I've already put the no.
And guess what, guys? There's no limit to how much we can put in. Yeah? No limit.
Do not. Yuck.
Have a whiff. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. It smells like I can't even describe the smell.
Next question.
There's no. Okay. What's my favorite smell?
Lavender. That's right.
Yes.
Next question. Yes.
No. How did you
Good
get
job,
that?
Team Han. All right. Let's go with
something easy that I know.
Okay. What was the name of the festival that we spent our first New Year's Eve together at?
What was the name?
Yes.
Can you repeat that again?
What was the name of the festival that we spent our first New Year's at?
Fireworks.
5.
New Year's.
4.
Festival.
3.
Oh my god.
2.
First New Year's.
1.
Taste of Tassie.
Wow,
Yes.
I cannot believe you got that.
Yes.
I actually have to go back and look it up.
I remembered it, of course.
Alright.
Just took me a while. Yay! Okay,
Next
my
question.
turn. Okay. Who wrote and directed the 2017 horror film Get Out?
Jordan Peele.
Of course you know that one. That was easy for you, I feel like.
What was the first CD that I bought in primary school?
Primary school, first CD, Snoop Dogg.
Ooh, close, but no cigar. It was NWA's Greatest Hits.
Oh.
Alright, what should we put? Why don't we hit it up with a little bit of...
Not a little bit, a whole lot.
A whole lot of...
Because I like coconut. Okay, that's enough. Oh, it's so clunky.
Alright, mix it up, give it a whiff.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
To be honest, I'd rather drink yours than this fish sauce. Right.
Well, it's going to be straight up fish sauce with how we're going. What's my favorite fruit?
Watermelon.
Damn it. You... okay, let's do this. Come on. How are you getting all these questions? I just can't.
Let's hit it up with a little... Oh, you know what?
Why are we making some saucy stuff here? Can you put some gummy bears? No, actually. Oh my god. Alright, your turn.
Alright. Easy one. What's my favorite song?
Oh my god. Oh, what was that? Ew, yuck. Oh my god.
It's making me salivate, guys.
Okay. Snoop Dogg, gin and juice.
Close one, but
no. Are you? What is it? What's the name of the song? What is it?
Most Def, Miss Fat Booty.
Oh my god.
You should know that.
No. Alright, hurry up. I feel like I'm losing this game. I am.
Why don't we heat you up with your favorite?
Yes. Yes, please.
It's like chocolate on the side.
Oh. My turn. Let's hope you don't get this one. What fictional country is Black Panther set in?
Let me think. Wakanda! Forever! Is that what they do? No, I don't know. Right, what else can we put? What should we put in Shukri smoothie? Why don't we go with, did we use apple cider yet?
No, don't put up, oh my god. When I thought the fish sauce was the worst.
Just a little bit.
Little bit, that was a lot, oh my.
The fish sauce is the worst.
It looks.
I'm not gonna lie guys, that looks really bad. Really bad. Remember, we're gonna have a reward and consequence for this challenge.
Look at that. That is just, that's nasty. That is nasty.
How do we say after a big meal, how do you say I'm full?
Who's
Mandarin?
we? Mandarin, alright. 我饱了. 我饱了.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Alright.
There we go.
Next question.
Finally.
Hit me up. Hit me up.
Actually, you know what? I want to put something in yours because I got it right. So we're gonna start something different now. For every time I get something right, I get to put it in yours. Okay?
Alright.
So.
Well, it goes both ways, guys. So.
Alright.
Hit me up.
I want to put some jalapenos.
Love jalapenos. Absolutely love them. Hey, calm down, calm down.
Yeah, you don't tell you.
I put like 2 in yours.
Yeah, well, I'm very generous
Thank
with
you.
my servings. So, what is my favorite song? What's my favorite song?
Something by Drake.
Drake.
Something by Nicki Minaj.
Drake.
Drake? Something by Nicki Minaj.
What's my favorite song? Don't try and get it. Like, just guess it. Guess.
I'll be honest with you, I probably won't even know the name of the song. So I'm gonna give this one to you and go ahead and hit me up.
You're not even gonna guess. You're gonna give up already? Wow. Wow.
Listen, do you want it
Yeah.
or do you not want it?
Okay, you're making it easy for me, so I'm going to put some mayo. Go.
Alright.
Yum. That looks nice.
Oh my goodness, I am gonna have to clean that up right now. I'm back.
Where did you go?
I'm telling you, that was probably the worst thing that you could ever spill into carpet. Okay, moving on.
So what do you have for me.
What nickname did I have in primary school? Was I given in primary school?
Oh my god. Why? I'm gonna guess Han Han.
That was more kindergarten, but it was hot dog because apparently I was eating a hot dog that was bigger than me. Yeah, at camp. Anyway, let's pick some ingredients for you.
No,
Look, I'll be nice and
this is ridiculous. This is getting out of hand, man. This
some mint.
Some mint.
Beautiful,
wow.
beautiful mint
some mint.
for the mix.
This
It's actually gonna be really nice.
It smells nice, actually. It smells nice.
Love
I like it.
Love mint, people.
Yeah, it smells nice. It's not too bad.
All right, hit me. Next question.
Okay.
We're about to wrap it up. So. Do you have any questions left?
Who is my favorite actor?
I'm gonna go ahead and say Michael B. Jordan.
No, wrong. Gosh.
Who's your favorite actor?
It just Michael B. Jordan. Wow.
Who's your favorite actor?
You're close enough with the marbles. Michael B. Jordan. Scarlett Johansson.
Scarlett Johansson is your favorite actor.
Yes.
I have never heard you mention that in my life.
At least you didn't know that.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Let's see what we're going to put on his. Where is yours? Can you bring yours here? You keep moving it. So I'm going to put
4, 3,
soy sauce
2,
in there.
1.
Yum! It looks like maple syrup. Think about it like a maple syrup.
To be honest, I was gonna say it's better than the fish sauce by itself. That's the goal. Alright guys, we're gonna blend this mix up and we'll be right back. Blend yours up, Shuks, and then I'm gonna do my nut.
Okay, so let's blend this up and drink it.
So as we blend this up, what is going to be the prize and consequence if we drink it and if we don't?
We're just gonna see who does, like who drinks it without puking. Yeah, we're going to blend it up and drink it.
That would be nice.
It's not even on. Oh my god. Let's go. One more time. Let's go.
Take 2.
Oh, yuck. Ooh. Oh.
So you're gonna put some of yours in my mix? How's that? Ooh.
Can I think I'm ready to throw up.
Yeah, you look like it. Where's the chuck bucket?
Oh my god. Wow. That is... It's the fish sauce. It's the fish. Oh my god. Wow. You know what? I think I can do this. And then
So, alright, let's
so I
set
don't
the
have to
rules,
smell
right?
it.
So
It's
the
the
rules
smell.
are you need to finish the whole thing, or you just need to have one gulp.
Okay, let's go.
Cheers. Oh my god!
That is.
Wow.
That's disgusting. Nasty.
Did you taste it? Did you swallow it?
It's very salty.
Yeah.
It's nasty. There's a jalapeno that was not blended in there.
Oh
It
my
was not
goodness.
even blended. It was staring right at me.
How are you feeling right now? How's your stomach feeling? How are you feeling overall?
I feel like my stomach is burning.
I feel like I just got hit on the inside
Whoa.
by Mike Tyson. It was like, I don't know how I feel right now. I'm quite confused, people. I'm quite confused. I never want to do that again in my life.
Ever. Maybe
Never,
different
ever.
ingredients. So maybe you guys can try with different ingredients, but that was fun. That was fun. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and
I want you guys to leave a comment on what you think should be a reward and consequence for the winner and loser, as well as who the winner and loser is. We're going to tally that up and we will let you know in the comments who is the winner.
we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.